Yo, 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 what's going on, y'all? I wanted to take a moment and highlight one of our amazing members. I didn't know if you guys know this, but behind the scenes, we got some pretty cool analytics and we can see everyone's engagement. And if I come over here to member activity, we can see here that Bryanna, holy moly, she's got an engagement score of 702, which consists of 27 comments, 5 votes, 84 cheers, 2 RSVPs, which means she's RSVP'd for every event that we have, and then 41 messages sent. I know I communicate with her just a little bit, so I don't know who else she's talking to, but this is awesome. And why is this important? Because your contribution matters. What makes us different, makes the SHT different from other methodologies, aside from having everything figured out and facilitating experiments and always being up to date on stuff. And what makes us different is that we have the support of other people. We have a community, especially inside Superhumans United. Your contribution matters, meaning that when you contribute, you are reinforcing concepts for yourself, you're holding yourself accountable, and you're inspiring other people. So I just want to give a big shout out to Bryanna and say thank you so much for being one of our new members and being highly engaged.